In this video, I'm going to show you how you could use the RGB remote that came free with your RGB color-changing custom neon sign. Our RGB signs can change to different colors and modes at the touch of a button. Before starting, you'll need to remove the back of your remote and insert 3 AAA batteries. An important point to note is that your dimmer needs to be in clear range of the remote. Let's start with the on-off button. This allows you to control your sign from afar and turn it on and off without having to unplug it from the wall. Once your sign is on, you can use the color wheel to set your sign to a wide range of static colors. The 2 arrow buttons below the color wheel allow you to increase and decrease the brightness of the static color. If your sign is going to be in videos and photos, we recommend lowering the brightness. The button inside the color wheel allows you to set your sign to a range of dynamic modes, offering flashing, flickering, and gradual change. When in these dynamic modes, the 2 arrow buttons below the color wheel allow you to increase and decrease the speed of the flashing, flickering, and gradual change. Please note the dynamic modes cannot be dimmed. The play and pause button at the top of the sign will allow you to pause the dynamic modes, setting your sign to a desired color. And that is how you use your custom neon RGB remote. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team.